Paul Turner and his crew are helping us today.
Hi, Richard. How are you today?
So what do you do when you don't get any water out of a well, or hardly any water out of a well?
Well, what you do is you develop the well.
Okay, but what does that mean?
Well, what we do is we pump high pressure water down the hole so we can flush out the existing fractures that are there so the water can come into the well unrestricted. How much water you're going to get is going to depend on what's there in the aquifer and in the fractures.
Okay. All right. What do we got?
Well, Richard, we have an expandable bladder here which is going to inflate inside the hole. And when we inflate it, it's going to enable us to pump high pressure water down the well so the water doesn't come over the top. It actually goes down through into the well and in through the fractures.
So we have a 400-foot deep, 6-inch hole. You're going to put a cork in it and then push water in below the cork.
That's correct. This is what we call our tree. This is what's going to connect the truck to the pipes that are going down the hole.
That's how you'll pressurize the hole below the stopper, below the bladder.
Exactly. All right, we're at 1,000, 1,500, we're at 2,000 PSI.
All right, so the small hose is going to have high pressure to inflate the cork.
And we'll pressurize that to approximately 2,500 PSI.
Ooh, that's some serious
And that's
pressure.
what we have to pressurize that to hold it in the hole. Well, we're also monitoring our packer pressure, and we're also monitoring our hydraulic pressure so we don't exceed its limit.
What's the rumble right there?
The rumble is just the vibration of the pumps.
All right, so we've done 2 sets. We've pushed, what, like 3,000 gallons down underneath. How do you think we've done?
Look real good. The telltales look awesome.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.